What's up, guys? This is the Kluge Foundation with Pilot Research, brothers at Pilot Research in Ghana, presenting Zoom Your Love live dating show for sapiosexuals. So if you're interested in this dating show, they have a form ready that you can fill out. Just scan the QR code and you will be introduced to some amazing people, and this will all be on Zoom. So if you're an introvert, you don't want to get out of the house, this is a great show for you. And we're going to go right into the intro, which you would see on. So yes, just like the intro would say, it's in December 28th on Saturday at 7 p.m. right here on Zoom. Come and meet your true love. So if you're interested, feel free to sign up. We just saw the flyer. This is what the flyer looks like. You can scan the QR code or you can use the link. We will show you what the form looks like. It's a very detailed form. So please take your time to fill it out if you're interested. Um, and this is for, people who are very seriously interested in the program. So you would see it right here. We will go through the form. It's not too long, but I think you would find it a little bit interesting to fill out. Like we said, we're looking for sapiosexuals. It's not about just being attractive to the person. We want people who are smart, who are also looking for smart people um, in their life. And even if it's for just talking, just somebody you vibe with, I think this is a great dating show for you. So here we go. We have a very detailed description here or instructions here. Please follow the instructions. Um, and dear participants, people who fall in love primarily based on mental and intellectual connection rather than physical appearance or other attributes are often referred to as sapiosexuals. And thank you so much for being interested in the Zoom Your Live show, which we will mostly be calling the Zill Show. Zill Show. Please read the instructions carefully, provide accurate information, complete all required fields, be descriptive, respect the word limit, which is 200 or less. Double check your contact information, submit on time, and consent and commitment will be needed. And this is the information if you need to contact us for any information. You can text us or get us on email or on WhatsApp. So this is a Zill team, and so you see full name, bio page. So the first one is the bio information. Second one is personality and preferences, what you like, what you don't like. Are you more of an introvert or an extrovert? What's your love language? You have relationship history and expectations. We need people who are sincere, so please answer as honest as possible. Your values, your aspirations. What do you value most in a relationship? How do you handle disagreement? What does your commitment look like or mean to you? And the interest and compatibility level. Tell us about your hobbies. What's your favorite type of music, movie, outdoor adventure? What's one thing you are passionate about, and how do you typically spend your weekend? We have the fun and quirky. What's your most embarrassing dating story? This is just for us to have. If you want to share it, then you can share it during the show. If you could travel anywhere in the world, where would that be? What's your favorite food? If you could meet any celebrity, who would it be? And what's one fun thing about yourself that most people don't know? So, about the show, why do you want to be part of the show? What makes you stand out? What's one thing you would like to learn or experience? Are you comfortable being on camera? Do you have any special talents? The final questions, are you willing to commit to the schedule of filming or recording? Do you have any religious or cultural consideration you want us to consider? Then you leave us your phone number and email for us to get in touch with you. Remember, this show will be pre-recorded on Zoom. Do you consent to it? And then is there anything else you would like us to know about you? So it is a 40-page, 40-item question, but it's fun. I think you would love it, the show. So we look forward to meeting everybody on the show, and we hope to see you on the Zill show. It's an online dating show that would be on Zoom, and we hope to meet you. Zoom your love life. We cannot wait to meet all the singles that are interested in this show. Don't miss your chance to be part of such an exciting show. Don't forget to sign up, and the QR code is also available if you want to just scan it with your phone. Thank you so much, and we hope to see you on our next recording. Bye bye for now.